Hello, I am Jon Najarian at the LV Micro Conference in Los Angeles with Jonathan Globerson. He is the Vice President of Product and Marketing for a company that you're going to love called SKYX. Jonathan, welcome to the program.
Thank you. Pleasure having me.
It's great to have you here.
Yeah.
Now, I've been involved, full disclosure, with SKYX for a couple years now.
That's right.
But it's a very unique technology that threatens, and I think will, become one of the leaders in home applications for everything from Wi-Fi to various smart devices that are in your home.
That's right.
And it's such an easy thing to understand when you explain it.
Right. Well, SKYX invented something very simple. We invented an outlet for the ceiling that within a click of a button, you can now install any light fixture or any gadgets that will come there in the future. This is now an equivalent to really a regular wall outlet. This is now part of the National Electrical Code, which is called the NEC as well. And what that means is that in the near future, you're going to see our outlets installed in multiple homes and saving lives as we do it.
Right, because you could snap a fire detection, a CO2 monitor. You could snap a fan onto that. You can put Wi-Fi connectivity up in the ceiling. By the way, where it's the best Wi-Fi, because you want the Wi-Fi coming down where you are to get the best signal.
That's right.
Show them a little bit about the device.
Sure. Do you mind holding the microphone?
Don't mind at all.
Okay. So this is the outlet called the Sky Outlet, also known as the WSCR, Wall Supporting Ceiling Receptacle. And this is the plug, the Sky plug. The ball bearing here can hold over 200 pounds in a click of a button. And just by clicking the button right here, this goes into the outlet. And you're done installing, let's say, a light fixture or any other hardware into the ceiling. The outlet itself is a one-time installation into the ceiling, and it's going to be safe to touch once it's installed. And then all you need to do is go on a ladder for 2 seconds, and there you go. You plug something in. You no longer will need to waste a lot of time on the ladder, which is the number one reason why people get hurt in homes is actually falling from ladders. So this becomes a really good, way to prevent injuries and deaths. There are over 400 deaths per year alone from lighting-related injuries. So, by having the outlet installed there and having just a plug, it makes it much simpler. You install the outlet once, either by a professional or by even DIYers, and then you just go up there and you install any other plug-related products, such as lighting, fans, and other accessories and smart accessories that will go into it, too.
Now, I think you guys pivoted, Jonathan, from producing all of this yourself to then taking a fee for having other people produce all this stuff, which I think is a smart move.
Right. So part of the things that actually being part of the National Electrical Code, and we actually also filed for what's called code mandatory. We filed all the documentations for it, is that in the near future, other manufacturers will license this from, and get this ability to manufacture the outlet and the plugs themselves. So we don't want to be the sole manufacturer of this. This thing saves lives. We want others in the entire organization or the entire world to be able to have the ability to just plug and play into the ceiling.
Now, you guys are a publicly traded entity on NASDAQ.
That's right.
SKYX is. And tell them the symbol for
SKYX is our ticker.
SKYX, folks. And a lot of interest in this, especially when people are now, hunkering in their homes right now because interest rates are high. Homes aren't selling as much.
That's right.
They're rehabbing. They're fixing up their homes. That's why Home Depot and Lowe's are doing so well. And by the way, one of those companies might have some people on your board. I don't know if we can even talk about that.
Former CEOs of Home Depots are actually part of our code committees. And also Office Depot, former CEOs, and Nielsen, and quite a few others as well have joined our company because they see this as the future of home installation and safety.
Yeah, well, I got to believe that you're going to be hearing an awful lot more about the SKYX products, folks. So make sure you check it out. NASDAQ listed SKYX. And again, full disclosure, I am a shareholder of the company and talk regularly, if not to Jonathan, to Ronnie, the CEO.
That's right.
Jonathan,
Thank you.
thanks
Pleasure.
for joining us today.
Thank you very much. Appreciate your time today.
Thank you.